Welcome to our whimsical world of enchanting characters and captivating beauty. Today, we're diving into the realm of the mystical and the alluring with our focus on the mesmerizing white cat girl, adorned with adorable fox ears, inspired by the talents of Wab and Sakimishin. Get ready to be spellbound by the charm of the Neko, a beautiful, cute, and incredibly attractive cat girl with an irresistible allure. Imagine a breathtaking fusion of elegance and cuteness as the white-haired cat girl comes to life with her irresistible allure. Her radiant beauty and captivating charm will leave you utterly mesmerized, unable to look away from her stunning presence. So join us on this mesmerizing adventure as we explore the world of the white cat girl, a bewitching fusion of innocence, allure, and fantasy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more enchanting content inspired by the wonders of art and imagination. Thanks for watching, and until next time, embrace the magic of beauty and charm.